Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best PC cases that will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 5. NZXT H7 Flow. Meet the NZXT H7 Flow 2024 Mid-Tower ATX case, a clean, airflow-focused gaming case built for powerful PC setups and superior cooling performance. Priced at around $69.99, this case offers excellent value for a premium airflow design, pre-installed fans, and strong GPU cooling support in a mid-range budget. Supports ATX motherboards with spacious interior layout. Comes with 3 times pre-installed 120mm fans for strong out-of-the-box airflow. Designed with a high airflow front and top ventilation system. Includes bottom fan support for direct GPU cooling, improving gaming temperatures. Clean cable management system for a tidy, professional build. Bottom-mounted PSU design for better airflow separation and stability. Strong metal construction for durability and premium feel. Optimized for gaming and high-performance PC builds. Pros: excellent airflow design for gaming PCs. Good cooling support including GPU-focused airflow. Pre-installed fans included. Clean cable management space. Solid build quality for the price. Cons: no RGB fans included out of the box. Airflow-focused design may feel plain for RGB lovers. Limited premium features compared to higher-end NZXT cases. Number 4. Cooler Master Qube 500 Flatpack. Meet the Cooler Master Qube 500 Flatpack, a fully modular mid-tower ATX case designed for builders who want flexibility, airflow, and a unique build experience. At just $63.99, this case delivers premium-level modular design and ATX support at a budget-friendly price, making it a strong value for gaming and workstation builds. Fully modular flatpack design for easy assembly and customization. Supports eATX, ATX, and other motherboard sizes for high-end builds. Comes with 1 times 120mm rear fan pre-installed. Supports vertical GPU mounting for showcase-style builds. Fits dual 280mm radiators for strong liquid cooling setups. Clean tempered glass side panel for component visibility. Flexible internal layout for airflow optimization and cable routing. Designed for both gaming rigs and professional workstations. Pros: very affordable for a modular case. Excellent motherboard and GPU support, eATX plus vertical mount. Strong cooling potential with radiator support. Unique flatpack design for builders who like customization. Clean tempered glass look. Cons: only 1 pre-installed fan included. Assembly takes more time than standard cases. Not ideal for beginners who want plug-and-play simplicity. Airflow depends heavily on extra fan setup. Number 3. InWin A3-MicroATX. Meet the InWin A3-MicroATX gaming chassis, a compact, stylish mini-tower case with RGB lighting built for clean and modern gaming setups. Priced at around $131.99, this case sits in the premium compact category, offering a sleek design, tempered glass, and ARGB aesthetics for small form-factor gaming builds. Compact MicroATX/Mini-ATX compatible design for small builds. Comes with a built-in ARGB 120mm fan for lighting and airflow. Stylish tempered glass side panel to showcase components. Supports air and liquid cooling setups for flexible performance. Clean internal layout optimized for modern cable management. Rear-mounted PSU design for a minimal and tidy interior look. Ideal for gaming setups and aesthetic PC builds. Premium InWin build quality with a focus on design and presentation. Pros: very premium and stylish compact design. Built-in ARGB fan included. Tempered glass gives a clean showcase look. Good cooling flexibility for its size. Great for small desk setups. Cons: expensive for a MicroATX case. Limited internal space for upgrades. Not ideal for high-end large GPU plus multiple storage builds. Only 1 included fan. Number 2. Thermaltake View 270 plus TG ARGB Snow. Meet the Thermaltake View 270 plus TG ARGB Snow, a stylish white mid-tower case built for high airflow gaming setups with a premium glass design. At just $69.99, this case delivers excellent value with 3 pre-installed ARGB fans, IATX support, and dual-tempered glass panels at a budget-friendly price. Supports eATX, ATX, and other motherboard sizes for flexible builds. Comes with 3x 120mm ARGB fans pre-installed for strong airflow plus lighting. Supports up to 360mm radiator for advanced liquid cooling. Stylish dual-tempered glass panels, front plus side, for full component showcase. Clean white snow design for aesthetic gaming setups. Bottom-mounted PSU design for better airflow separation. Optimized airflow structure for cool GPU and CPU temperatures. Built for both gaming and workstation builds. Pros. Excellent value for the price. Comes with 3 ARGB fans included. Premium dual glass aesthetic look. Strong cooling support, 360mm radiator ready. eATX support in budget segment. Cons. Glass front may slightly limit raw airflow versus mesh cases. Cable management can feel tight in some builds. ARGB control depends on motherboard support in some setups. Number 1. Lian Li A3-mATX. Priced at around $89.99, this case offers premium Lian Li build quality, modular design, and 360mm AIO support, great value for a compact enthusiast build. Supports MicroATX and Mini-ITX motherboards for flexible small builds. Compact 26.3L volume design for space-saving setups. Supports up to 360mm AIO liquid cooling, rare for this size class. Fully modular layout for customizable internal configuration. Flexible frontways PSU mounting design for better space optimization. Clean, minimal black alloy steel construction. Designed in collaboration with DAN cases, focused on SFF efficiency. Ideal for high-performance gaming in compact form factor. Pros. Premium build quality from Lian Li. Excellent cooling support for a compact case. Highly modular and customizable layout. Great for small desk setups and SFF enthusiasts. Supports powerful gaming hardware in small space. Cons. No fans included, extra cost required. Building experience can be challenging for beginners. Limited space for cable management compared to mid-towers. Premium price for a case without included cooling. If you want a compact powerhouse build, check the link in the description for full details and best deals. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more PC case reviews and builds.